What's up guys? Today I'm going to be sharing a tip with you on how to stand out to your clients. So let's talk about the value of offering a custom blend to a chef or another customer. Chefs typically can't just call a large distribution company and order up some type of custom blend, but you being a smaller local microgreen farmer and actually having the ability to do more for them is going to strengthen your relationship with the chef. And that's what's most important, because you have the ability to do something that some of these other guys don't have the ability to do. This is going to be super valuable to them, because not only are you bringing them a custom blend, but now they have something that's their own unique product that they can put their name on and be proud of. So today we're going to be mixing up a blend of lemon balm, chervil, and red vein sorrel. We're going to be making it for a restaurant called Villaggio, located in Pinehurst, North Carolina, and we're going to name the blend the Villaggio blend. So first off, we're going to be cutting a little bit of chervil. Let's cut some lemon balm. And last, we're going to cut the red vein sorrel. So we got everything harvested, we got it all in this bowl, and now we're just going to mix it up. You want to make sure everything is mixed very nicely, and make sure that the red vein sorrel distribution is very even. So now that we have the microgreens mixed up, it's time to package them. So I'm just going to take a nice handful of these microgreens and put them straight into this container like this. And we're going to make sure that this container is filled nicely to the top. And I like to add an extra paper towel on the top. Once they come in and out of the refrigerator, there's any moisture on the top, this is going to serve as a small barrier to catch any moisture so that the microgreens don't get ruined. So we've got them in there. We're going to close the top, make sure we hit our seal button here, and then we're going to get a label together and put it right on top. Get these in the refrigerator, and these will be getting delivered to Villaggio first thing this afternoon. So that's how we make one of our custom blends. That one was specifically for Villaggio, but guys, I really encourage you to get creative. Try and make some of your own custom blends. It really goes a long way in strengthening your relationships with your clients, but also gives them something that's valuable that they can be proud to serve in their restaurant. I really hope that this video was helpful to you. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us grow our YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.